This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers so nothing interrupts input. Plug in or pair your controller, then install the official Microsoft driver or DS4 Windows for PlayStation pads. Once done, open Steam, switch to Big Picture or Open Desktop configuration, and enable Use Steam input for Sekiro. This ensures Steam can override default mapping. Make sure Windows recognizes the device in game controllers. If it doesn't, reinstall drivers and retry pairing, before moving on to remapping and sensitivity. You'll now configure precise inputs for Sekiro's fast combat. Open Sekiro in Steam, select Controller Configuration, and pick a template or craft your custom layout. Map essential actions, attack, kick, parry, jump, grapple, to reachable face and shoulder buttons so reactions are crisp. Set stick dead zones small around 0, 0.5 to 0, 12 to avoid drift but keep responsiveness. Once done, tweak sensitivity and Y-axis inversion to match your aim and movement style. Then test in the Shrine or Tutorial to lock in settings. Complete setup by fine-tuning performance and saving your profile. Lower in-game frame pacing to a steady 60 FPS for consistent input timing, and adjust vibration and input buffering to feel immediate. If you encounter lag, recalibrate in Windows or DS4 Windows. Move away from sources of Bluetooth interference or switch to wired USB. Once the controls feel right, save the configuration to Steam Cloud and export a backup. If problems persist, reinstall Steam input or try switching the pad type in configuration to resolve mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.